Yes, good evening, everyone. Last time I told you all to start, I had told you all to start with an exercise. Wait, let me just open the textbook. Yes, we had done 5.2. I hope everyone remembers. We had started with the formula and I told you all to try the sums. So today, yes, I hope you all have tried the sums and I want to know if you all have any doubts. If you all want me to solve any sum, then we'll discuss those sums. Hi, Kevin. I've not corrected the paper. Uh, if there is any issue, then let the center head know. I'll add the marks if there has been any mistake in correction. Okay. So, Kevin, you can contact Nishant sir and let him know. I'll make the changes. Yes. So, right now, I want to know if anyone has any doubts in 5.2. If you all have tried and you all are facing any issues in any of the sums. Okay, Mrutul has Mrutul done all the sums? Mrutul from Chembur has said no. Have we done all the sums? Okay, Gargi has no doubts. Deepika has no doubts. Quickly, everyone, if you all have no doubts, then we can move on to the next practice set. But if you all have, uh, Mehek from Saidam is saying my voice is not coming. I hope everyone else can hear me. And Mehek, if my voice is not audible, quickly leave the lecture and join fast. Okay, Amberlin has no doubt. Ramandeep has no doubt. Okay, a lot of people have no doubts. In case you all do have doubts, message me right now. Till then, what we'll do is we'll start off with the second practice set. I meant the next one, sorry. Yes, we'll discuss practice set 5.3 right now. Okay. And in this, we are basically discussing this formula A minus B, the whole cube. Okay, let me pick someone to see if they know. Okay, Shubhra from DN Nagar wants me to show the fourth sum. Why are you waiting for so long, Shubhra? Okay, let me quickly show you the fourth sum of 5.2. 52 cube. Okay. What we are doing is we are separating the numbers like this. It should be either some number plus some number or some number minus some number. Here, 52 cube, we can easily do 52 into 52. Whatever answer we get, that again we can multiply by 52. Basically, 52 three times will give me 52 cube. But here, they have told us to follow this formula. So let me take Shubhra's only help and see if we can do this sum. Hello, yes, Shubhra, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Yes. So to do the sum, what you do is tell me 52 is close to which number, 50 or 60?
50.
So is it okay if I write 52 as 50 plus what will give me 52?
2.
So can you see I've converted this single thing into two parts, A plus B.
Yes, sir.
And do you know what the formula of A plus B the whole cube is?
Yes, sir.
Do you know the formula of A plus B the whole cube?
No, sir.
Last time we discussed the formula, you were absent.
Yes, sir. Yes, I know.
Sorry,
I know.
you know. Remember I told you how to write, start with a cube. Then what do we do?
Then a square.
Now don't say a, say the number which is a. Here 50 is a.
Okay, and then again normal 50.
50. And last?
Last nothing, leave a dash.
Nothing. Okay, now let's discuss this b or 2.
2 cube,
2 cube,
2 square,
2 square,
and only 2.
only 2. And here any 2?
No.
Anything else is missing?
Minus sign.
Where is? There is only plus here. One more number we have to add. Think which number?
3.
3 to both these places, correct?
Yes, sir.
And here in between there will only be plus.
Plus.
Okay, now tell me something. 50 cube you might not know. What is 5 cube? But tell me what is 5 cube?
5 cube 125.
125. And here what we will do is, if there is 1 0 ka cube, na, that single zero will become 3 zeros. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
So I'll put 0 0 0 because 1 0 became 3 zeros because of cube.
Yes.
Plus. Now you're just cubing and squaring, so we'll not multiply anything. Let 3 be as it is. Now tell me 50 square karna hai. So tell me only 5 ka square. What is 5 square? Hello,
5
Subra.
square, 5
Ah.
square, 25.
25. And when cubing, we made 1 0 as 3 zeros. Now 1 0 will become
2 0.
2 zeros. And this 2 will remain as it is. Plus 3 into 50. Now tell me what is 2 square?
2 square, 4.
4. Plus, tell me what is 2 cube?
2 cube, 8.
8. Now what we'll do is we'll multiply everything. So 1, 2, 5, 0, 0, 0 as it is. Acha, now first tell me what is 3 into 2.
6.
Tell me what is 6 into 2500. Quickly multiply and tell me.
15,000.
15,000. Plus, what is 3 into 4?
12.
Tell me what is 12 into 50.
12 into 50.
Hello, Shubhra.
I think
Okay.
6,000.
12 into 5 is how much?
12 5 is 60.
So one more zero you have to add, no?
Yes, sir.
So will it become 6,000 or 600?
600.
600 plus 8. You understood till here?
Yes, sir.
Now what I'll do is I'll go to the working column and I'll add everything together. So see how I'm writing. I'm writing the biggest 1,25,000, then 15,000, then 600, and last May 8. So tell me what is the total of all these numbers? Tell me.
Sir, wait.
First tell me only the units digit.
8.
8. Then tell me only this tens digit.
0.
0. What about this?
6.
6. 5 plus 5?
10.
10. What
4.
about these? 4.
And 1.
N. So what is the final answer? Just read it.
1,40,000. 1,40,608.
You understood now?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. I hope everyone has understood. Same way, if anyone has a doubt in 101, then you can make it as 100 plus 1. Okay. Hello, Deepika. Deepika from Saidam.
Yes, sir.
You wanted help in seventh sum.
Yes, sir.
So 2m plus 1 upon 5, the whole cube.
Yes.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
So tell me, how will we apply the formula? What to start with?
2m cube,
2m cube. Then
then plus 2m square,
then
2m,
2m. And then
1 upon 5 cube,
1 upon 5 cube. Here,
1 upon 5 square,
here.
1 upon 5.
And anything else?
No, no, sir.
Huh?
Yeah, 3. 3, sir. 3.
Every time I have to remind you all. And which sign will come in between?
Plus, sir.
Plus. Acha, now tell me, what is 2 cube?
8.
What is m ka cube?
M
M cube is m cube.
cube. Okay, sir.
So what is m ka cube?
M cube.
Plus 3 as it is. What is 2 ka square?
4m. 4m square.
And what is m ka square? We'll do it separately. What is m ka square?
M square.
M square. 1 upon 5 as it is. Plus 3 into 2m into what is 1 upon 5 square?
1 upon 25.
1 upon 25. Plus, what is 1 upon 5 cube?
1 upon 125.
Correct. Now let us multiply. This remains 8m cube.
Yes, sir.
Plus, tell me what is 3 into 4?
12m square.
So 12 into 1.
12 into 1, 12.
So I'll get 12 upon 5 m square. You understood this?
Yes, sir.
Acha, then plus. What about 3 into 2?
6m.
And 6 into 1?
6.
So 6 m upon what will I write?
25.
25. And what is the last? What we'll write?
1 upon 125. 125.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Now, before we move on to the next sum, next exercise, I'll take someone's help to write a minus b the whole cube. Okay, let's try Aditya from Ghatkopar. Hello. Hello, Aditya Harya. Aditya doesn't want to answer. Okay, let me try Arya Jadhav. Hello, Arya. Arya Jadhav also doesn't want to answer. Let's try Mrithul. Hello, Mrithul from Chembur. Okay, let me try Hitesh from Parla. Hello,
Yes, sir.
Hitesh. Hello.
Hello. Yes, sir.
Help me with a minus b the whole cube formula. How do we write this?
A cube.
Sorry,
A cube.
a cube. Then,
A square.
then
A.
a, and here
B cube.
b cube. Coming back,
B square.
b square. Here
B.
b. Then
3 on both sides.
okay. Now when there was plus, we gave everything plus. But now there's minus. So we'll go alternate minus. So let's start with here. So here there is nothing means that is.
Plus.
So what will it be here?
Minus.
Here
Plus.
and last.
Minus.
Okay. Thank you, Hitesh.
Welcome, sir.
Okay. Let me write Twisha from JB Nagar. Hello, Twisha.
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
You'll have to help me with the next sum.
So I'm not comfortable answering.
Then get comfortable. Okay. 5.3 maybe we'll see. I'll give you an easy sum. Then you'll get comfortable. Okay.
Okay.
And wherever you get stuck, I'll help you. So we are looking at 2m minus 5 the whole cube. Is this fine? We are on 5.3, sum number 1, question 1. Have you reached there in the textbook?
Sir,
Have you reached in the textbook? Hello?
I can't hear you properly.
Hello? You can hear
Hello.
me now? Hello?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
Yes. So, see, this is our A and this is our B. So, can you help me in that beginning part? How do we write the formula?
2 cube,
No, this full thing you'll say. Why just 2?
2m cube,
2m cube.
cube,
Then
3,
अरे 2m cube के बाद we leave space and we keep reducing the power. So what do we write now? 2m
2m, 2m
what? Power will be what? Cube.
cube,
अरे but cube हो
square,
गया ना? Square.
square,
अच्छा. Then leave some space and then what we'll write?
2m.
2m. Okay. One second.
Yeah.
And what we'll write at the end? Will we write 2m again? Fourth time?
No,
No. So what do we write here last में? What is our b?
5 cube,
So 5 cube. What to write here?
5 cube,
अरे 5 cube बार बार लिखोगे क्या?
5 square, sorry, 5 square,
हाँ. Here
5,
5.
5,
Okay. Now anything missing?
subtraction sign
No,
and
no.
addition.
Before that, one more number we have to write.
3,
Where to write 3? First one,
no,
then second one,
yeah,
third one.
and the third one,
Okay. Acha, now in the beginning there's no sign. So what is this?
positive,
So what is here?
minus,
Minus. Here
plus,
plus. And here
minus,
minus. Okay. Now we'll go each term at a time. So first tell me 2. What is 2 ka cube?
4,
2 cube. What is 2 cube?
2
Visha.
cube,
2 into 2
8,
into 2. 8. What about m cube? What is m ka cube? Hello?
yes sir,
Your voice was cutting. Tell me again. What is m ka cube?
m,
Whenever you have
m,
letter power, you just
m
write it as
cube,
it is. M cube. You understood? Minus 3. Acha, tell me for this. What is 2 square?
4,
What is m ka square?
m square,
M square. Then 5 as it is. Plus 3. 2m as it is. Now tell me what is 5 square?
25,
Minus, tell me what is 5 cube? Do 5 into 5 into 5.
yeah, 125,
125. Okay. Now the first term we'll leave it as 8m cube only. Now let's discuss this. What is 3 into 4?
12,
What is 12 into 5?
60,
60. And what is this?
M square.
M square. So with the same logic, help me over here. What is 3 into 2? Hello, Trisha.
6.
6. What is 6 into 25?
150.
150. We'll write only 150 or something else.
So I couldn't hear you.
Should we just leave it as 150 or should I write something else beside it?
M.
M. And ending में minus 125. Did you understand the answer?
Oh, yes, sir.
Achha, now next time also I'll pick you. Okay? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, thanks. Okay. What I'll do is I'll do one more sum. And then the remaining sums, again, you all can try it and next time we'll discuss wherever you all have your doubts. Okay? Okay, I can see Mansi has some. Hello, Mansi.
Hello, sir.
You want to answer?
Yes, sir.
1 second. Achha, wait. Firstly, I want to see if anyone, rather than just doing the second sum, does anyone want me to do any other sum? There are 8 sums in expand. So if you all want me to do any particular sum by message, just tell me which one. If nobody is saying anything, then I'll pick the second sum and every other sum will be homework. Okay, Dhruvi is saying we should do the 5th sum. Okay, Mansi, we'll do the 5th sum. Hello. Okay, Deepika is saying we should do fractional sum. What happened to Mansi? Wait. Hello, Mansi, unmute yourself. Hello. Okay, Mansi is not responding. Let's try with Dhruv, I think, wanted to answer. Hello, Dhruv Modi.
Hello.
You wanted to answer, correct?
Yes, sir.
We'll do the fraction sum.
Okay, sir.
So 8th sum, let's do it quickly. 8th sum, the question is x upon 3 minus 3 upon x. Okay? So quickly tell me how to place
Yes,
these
sir.
terms.
X upon 3 upon that power.
What power?
Sorry.
Square or cube?
X upon. Hello.
What to write here? Square or cube?
Cube.
Cube. Then
Same x upon 3 square.
Then
Just square x upon 3.
and last में should we write x upon 3 again?
Yes.
Hello? अरे हो गया ना लिख के 3, 2, 1. Should we write it again or not?
No.
No. So what to write in the last now? A is done, no? Now discuss B.
3 upon x.
What to write? 3 upon x? And what to
Cube.
write above? Cube. What about here?
Cube.
यहाँ पे क्या?
3 upon x square.
Square. And here?
Just 3 upon x.
Okay. Anything is missing? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Anything is missing?
Hello. Yes, sir.
What is missing?
We have to put 3.
3. 3 will come here and here. Correct?
Yes.
Acha, now tell me, what is the sign here?
Positive.
So what to write here?
Hello.
Then what to write in this space?
Hello.
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 Hello, yes. What to write in this space?
Minus.
Minus. Then next space,
Plus.
plus. And here,
Minus.
minus. Okay. अच्छा, now quickly tell me cubing करते हैं. तो ऊपर x, what is x का cube?
X cube.
X cube. What is 3 का cube? अरे बाहर आना चाहिए.
27.
27.
I know.
Minus 3 as it is. Now tell me what is x का square?
X square.
X square. What is 3 का square?
9.
9. Then leave 3 upon x as it is. Plus 3 x upon 3. Now tell me here, what is 3 ka square?
9.
And upon x ka square?
X square.
Minus, what is this 3 ka cube?
27.
Upon this x ka cube?
X cube.
Okay. Now, this x cube upon 27 as it is. Minus, अच्छा जब fraction होता है, just check if anything is getting cancelled. Tell me, can this 3 get cancelled? नीचे कुछ है 3 से cancel करने के लिए?
No, sir.
9 doesn't 9 come in 3 ka table?
Yes, it does.
So this is 3 ones and this is 3 how much are? 3 how much are 9?
3 3s are.
तो 3 बच गया ना. अच्छा ये 3 और ये 3 कैंसिल कर सकते हैं.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा what x square means is x square is basically x into x. Correct?
Yes.
तो इधर 2 बार x है, नीचे 1 बार x है. Can I cancel x and 1x?
No, sir.
Yes, we can. जैसे आपने 3 3 कैंसिल किया वैसे x x भी कैंसिल होगा ना. This x and this x get cancelled. Sorry?
I didn't understand what you said.
जैसे 3 upon 3 we can cancel. वैसे do you agree x upon x also we can cancel?
Okay.
तो वैसे नीचे x था, ऊपर x था, cancelled x and x. तो सिर्फ ये बचा
Okay,
है.
so
दिख रहा है?
1x left.
हाँ, तो only x
Yes,
will
sir.
remain. अच्छा, same logic now. I'll write plus and tell me what will get cancelled in this part. इसमें क्या क्या cancel होगा?
First of all, 3 and 3.
3 and 3. अच्छा, और x square का मतलब होता है x into x ना?
Yes.
तो ये ऊपर एक x है,
So
देखो.
x also gets cut.
1 x will get cut. So what is remaining?
Yes. 9 upon x.
Very good. 9 upon x. And minus 27 upon x cube will remain as it is. This is the answer.
Yes. Yes.
Understood? Hello, Dhruv. Understood?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. So yes, everyone, before leaving, I'll just again tell you what you all can do is you all can try 5. See in 5.2 if you all got any sum wrong and I cleared your doubt today, redo it and do all the sums of 5.3 question number 1 again. There are 8 sums. Okay, do those things again. If you all do that, then next time this simplify part will become very easy because it's the same formula again. Okay. and then one more formula, and then we're done with the chapter. So I think next week we should attempt to finish the chapter. And I think mostly these are the 5 chapters that should be in your unit test. So either you'll have 1, 2, 3, 4 chapters, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think most students will have that. And if any other combination, then let your heads know so that we can arrange for extra lectures. Okay. I hope all the doubts are clear. Right? Yes, wait. Shreya has a doubt. Yes, Shreya.
Hello, sir.
Oh, yeah, tell me.
Sir, I have a doubt in my test sum. The
Tell
test.
me.
So the question number 5, write the following rational number in decimal form.
Hmm.
Sir, my sum was correct, but you gave me half mark.
Acha, for test related doubt, you may forward the test paper to your center head. Then I'll look at it and I'll see if marks needs to be added, I'll add it, or I'll contact you and tell you why it's wrong, why the mark was cut.
Okay, sir.
Right now I can't see your test paper, so I can't comment.
Okay, so sir, I don't know, is this head of Saidam?
Nishant sir ko you can forward.
Nishant, sir. Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Yes, Dhruv sir, I'm done with the session.
Okay, sir.
Okay.